Hello everyone and welcome. So the questions we'll be looking at are under the biology topic nucleic acids, and they fall under the first part of questions under this topic. Please, the answers and explanations we are going to be giving are all proposed. Okay, so let's move. The first question here is that which is the organelle that always contains DNA? The first option, A, the centriole, B, Golgi apparatus, C, lysosomes, D, mitochondria, and E, all of the above. So among these five alternatives, which of them is actually the answer? So let's see. Okay, so the answer here is D, mitochondria. So why do we consider D to be the answer among these alternatives? Okay, so here is our explanation for these. Mitochondria are organelles found in most eukaryotic cells, and you have to know they're called powerhouses. Why? Because they generate energy in the form of adenosine triphosphate. And now we realize that mitochondria have their own DNA, also known as mitochondrial DNA. Wow, what a wonderful creation by God. And here now we see that the other options, right? The other options, here in this paragraph, you see why the other options, apart from the mitochondria, are not the chosen options by us. So here you can pause to understand it further. So, okay, let's move to the next question. So the next question says, primers utilized in the initiation of DNA synthesis are made of A, RNA, B, DNA, C, Okazaki fragment, D, a structural protein, and E, none of the above. So among these alternatives, which of them is the answer? Okay, our answer here is RNA. So why do we consider RNA to be the answer for this question? Okay, let's see. Okay, so here is the explanation as to why RNA is our answer. Primers, which are utilized in the initiation of RNA of DNA synthesis, are made of RNA. Okay, now below here we have further explanations as to why RNA is our answer. Okay, so let's move now to the third question. So the third question says, nitrogenous bases in RNA are identical to those in DNA, except for A, adenine, which replaces cytosine, B, adenine, which replaces thymine, C, uracil, which replaces adenine, D, uracil, which replaces thymine, and E, none of the above. Okay, so among these, which of them is the answer? Okay, so our answer here is D, uracil, which replaces thymine. So why do we consider D as our answer? Okay, let's see. Okay, so here is why D is considered our answer. We have the explanations here. Nitrogenous bases in RNA are similar to that in DNA. A point for us to note, but there is one key difference. In RNA, okay, we now see how we organize these nitrogenous bases and why D, uracil, which replaces thymine, is the right answer. Okay, so here you can pause to further understand. Let's move now to the next question. The next is RNA processing is identical to transcription. That is RNA processing. That's, you have your dash there. A is identical to transcription. B follows RNA transcription. C is discarding old used RNA. D pertains to cRNA function during protein synthesis. E, none of the above. Okay, so let's see which of these is our answer. Okay, so the correct answer is B, follows RNA transcription. So putting it inside our equation to form a statement, we have RNA processing follows RNA transcription. So why is this answer considered correct? Please, I'm going to give a detailed writing on these, and please let's try to be concentrated. Okay, so this is the first part here of explanation as to why RNA transcription, as to why RNA processing follows RNA transcription. We have this point explained, and please let me give it another try, another shot here. Okay, so we have these processing events are essential for proper function, and so this is the continuation of uh, our previous writing, and now coming to conclude that B follows RNA transcription. Okay, so I want us to move on to the next question. To further understand, it's preferable we pause it to really read and understand detailedly as to what is happening here. Okay, so here comes our last question. It says, dash is the transfer of normal genes into body cells in a bid to correct a genetic fault. So the first option A, which says reverse transcription in bracket inverse. The second option says nucleic acid hybridization. The third, genetic mutation. The fourth, gene therapy. The fifth, none of the above. So let's see which of them is our answer. Okay, so solution 5 says uh the answer is D, gene therapy. So why is D the correct answer here, gene therapy? So let me give a write up on this, and yeah. Okay, so here we have this as a write up here, and it's trying to tell us why D is the answer for this question. Okay, and this write up here, we're going to continue in the next slide, try to explain to us why actually this D is the right answer. And here we have, okay, so here we have these writings to tell us why option A, first of all, is not the right answer, why option B is not the right answer, why option C is not the right answer. And if we know that option D is the right answer, therefore option E is not the right answer, that means like it cannot be none of the above because we already have an answer D. So this is the conclusion for this solution 5. Okay guys, thank you very much. Love from Kombi, and God bless you. Thank you very much.